guys, it's your girl Keandra and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see how I got these long 36-inch y'all locks, then stay tuned. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Alright, so Niseyo Hair is sponsoring this video and they sent me their handmade 36-inch faux locks. Now, if you are new to my channel, then you guys know I do the same braid pattern when I do these crochet styles. I'll do individual boxes in the front and then I do cornrows in the back. That way you don't have to worry about any wrapping and you can literally just install and go. So I always insert the crochet hook underneath where I want to place the lock, and then I take the crochet hook through the hoop, put the other end of it in the latch, and then bring it through. And then you just pull. It's that easy. Like, literally, this is what I do all the time. It takes the least amount of time, and you don't have to worry about wrapping, and you still get that good individual lock look. So this is what I did. I think I used a total of 5 packs of hair, and each pack had about 20 locks in it, so I probably got about 100 in my head. So yes, this is just what I did, and I'll be back with my final review and some hairstyles to share with you guys. Okay, so I'm in a new setup because I had to stand up to do this review because they're so long. Like, if I was sitting down, you wouldn't be able to see. As you guys know, I'm super short. I'm like 4'11" and a half, 5 feet, whatever you want to call it. And these are 36 inches. So this is how long they are on me. Turn to the back. And I still can barely get all of the hair in the frame. As you guys saw, I did the individual box, like the individual braid method with the boxes in the front and cornrows in the back. And that braid down took me about an hour to do on my hair. As you guys know, I big chopped back in February. So yeah, and then I decided to do it that way because I didn't want to have to deal with all of the wrapping. Plus these are very, very small. So it was just gonna take a lot of time, but installing these took about 2 hours because I think I was watching a show on Netflix. So yeah, it took about like 2 hours. Y'all, I love this hair. I really, really do. And since I install these the same, y'all know I do a lot of crochet videos, especially with Niseyo hair. They always send me stuff to review. I always install them the same way. I was just like, okay, let's try to do a hairstyling video so I can show you different ways how I will style these long locks. Okay, so if you want to see what styles I come up with, then stay tuned. Okay, so for the first style, as you guys see, it is in a side part, and you just gonna push it over to the side. So this is the first style. Okay, the second style, I'm going to take the sides, and you can take however many pieces you want. Since it's already swooped to the side, I'm just going to grab the bang part, and then I'm gonna grab these from the side, and I'm just going to tie them. None of these styles need rubber bands unless you want them to have rubber bands. But literally all you do is tie it once, and now you have a half up, half down style. And this is style number 2. All right, so now you're gonna take this ponytail and you're just gonna wrap it into a bun. So you can do it like that, and we're just going to wrap it. And then just tuck it into the bun. And now we have a high bun. If you don't want it this high, you can make it smaller. A high bun and a half up, half down style. Okay, so the last hairstyle, well, maybe second to last, we'll see, that I'm going to try is actually a ponytail. So I'm going to flip all the hair forward. Now I didn't do anything special to the back of my hair because this hair is so long. It doesn't really matter what the bottom look like unless somebody's really just all in your head like that. But you're gonna throw all your hair forward, take the back pieces, cross them, tie them in the front, squeeze them tight, flip the hair back over, and then you're gonna take the ponytail, tighten it, take some of the hair, bring it around to tighten it so that it's more uniform. Be careful not to pull at your edges or your nape. And then once you get it around, you're just gonna tuck it. Now you can make this ponytail tighter or looser. You can even do a what's the name ponytail? A low ponytail, but I want a high one because what I'm probably gonna do is get me one of my headbands, my thick ones, and do like the Poetic Justice look and just pull it so it's tighter. And there is your ponytail. Ooh, this is a lot of hair. And it's not heavy. Like, I mean, it's heavy, but it's like average heavy, if that makes sense. It's like average heavy. But this is ponytail. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie. I tried to do a bun with this hair. It is doable, but it is very heavy and it's a lot of hair. So I wasn't even gonna hold y'all. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys will go and get this hair if you like really long hair. It is super lightweight. My scalp isn't heavy, it isn't sore, any of that. It looks really cute and I definitely like it. They do have other lengths as well, but of course I had to be extra and get the longest length. And yeah, like I said, I'm 5 feet. It literally goes to the top of my knees. So yeah, your girl is short. I'm trying to get, I can't even get all of the hair. Let me see if I can move the camera back because I really can't even get all the hair in frame. Okay, now let's see. There we go. There we go. Y'all see? So yeah, it is definitely long. But yes, I want to thank Niseyo Hair for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check this hair out. I have the link in the description box below. And until next time, bye guys.